Welcome to this video about row number function, the row number function in SQL, which is an incredibly useful tool for organizing and analyzing data, particularly when you're working with large data sets. So by using the over clause and using that along with the partition by, you can assign a unique sequential integer to rows within specific groups. This functionality is available for tasks such as ranking items, implementing pagination, and filtering top N results within categories. So an example here that we are going to use is the employee salaries table. So let's first create the table. So let's do this here. To first drop the table if it exists, just in case it does. And then here we will create the table, and as you can see, it has these 4 columns. It has employee ID, it has name, department, and salary. Just those 4 to begin with. And then step 2 is that we will insert some sample data in here. And we will do that, execute, and then let's just do a query to select all to see what that data looks like. And as you can see, it looks like this. So then in step 3, what we will do is we will now use this row number function. So what is special about this is that it will use an over clause here, and then it will rank the employees according to their department based on their salary. So let's run this and see what it looks like. So when we do this, you can see when there is a department that is repeated. For example here, finance for the first ones, then you can see there is an ordering by the salary. When there's 2 finances here, then we have this descending order of the salary, 90,000 and 80,000, and then we have this ranking here, 1 and 2. And you can see here as well in HR, when that repeats, then we have this ranking, and then you can see it is always working no matter how many objects you have in the rows. So for example here in IT, you have 3, and it will still order these in descending order and go up to 1, 2, 3 like this. So it's like a group by, but you're actually seeing all the data in that group by, not squished down. So that's the results that you might see here. And let's break it down. What have we done here? We have first created a table, the employees table, with a certain structure. And then we imported some data, we inserted some data into that table, sample data, for us to work with, and then we used this row number function, which was able to combine partition by department and also order by the salary, descending. And this was able to rank each of the employees within their department based on their salary. So what's the use case for this kind of thing? Well, you can easily rank employees within their respective departments based on salary. And you can do this thing called pagination. Pagination is when you have a large group of data and you split it down into smaller chunks, smaller pages. So you can also do filtering as well for the top N. For example, if we made this come out as a view and then we did another query onto that view, we could say where salary rank is equal to 1 or salary rank is in 1 and 2, then we would get the top 1 and 2 ranked salaries. So in conclusion, row number over partition is a wonderful function that is very powerful and versatile, for a tool inside SQL, and you can use it for organizing your data for specific groups. It's capitalized. Its capabilities make it essential for effective reporting and analytics tasks, enhancing the ability to derive insights from complex datasets.